Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on the new Windows feature called Windows Sandbox. So I'm going to show you guys how to turn it on your PC. So there are a few things you need to get ready. So obviously you need to run on the latest version of Windows, which is the 1903 version, also known as the May 2019 update. So make sure you're running on that version, and secondly, make sure you are running on Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise editions. So those two editions only allow you to access Windows Sandbox. If you're using Windows Home or single language, unfortunately that feature is not available for you. So once you've got everything ready, we can move on. So you're going to go ahead and search for this setting called Windows feature, and you'll see we have an option here to turn Windows features on or off. So click on that and let it load and scroll down until you see Windows Sandbox. You can see I can't enable it for some reason due to virtualization being disabled. You can see virtualization support is disabled in the firmware. So yeah, so what's that mean? We have to go and turn it on in the BIOS settings. So if you haven't turned it on, then I'm going to show you guys how to turn it on in your BIOS settings. So we're going to go ahead and restart the PC, and we'll be right back to show you guys what you need to do to enable virtualization. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I'm in my BIOS. So this is my motherboard's BIOS user interface. So it may vary from different motherboard vendors. I'm using an ASUS motherboard, so it may be different. Anyway, let's go to the advanced tab here. So for me, let's go to the advanced tab and just find anything related to the CPU. So for me, it's CPU configuration, and I'm using an AMD Ryzen CPU, so it may be different as well, the naming. And you scroll down and see this SVM mode. So you see it says enable, disable with CPU virtualization. So currently for me it's disabled. We're going to turn it on and enable. For Intel, I'm not sure. I think it's called Hyper-V support or something. Anything related to virtualization, just turn it on and you should be good. So once it's on, you're gonna go to the exit and just save your changes and restart your PC. So yes, here we go. Right guys, we are back again. Just restarted my PC and enabled virtualization as I showed you earlier. So now we're going to check and verify whether our virtualization is truly enabled. So go to settings, right click the taskbar and go to task manager and go to performance tab, and under the CPU tab, just look here, it says enabled. So previously for me it was disabled, and now we have enabled it successfully. So now we're pretty much done. So let's go ahead and search again Windows features, alright, and then let it load and scroll all the way down until you see Windows Sandbox. So now we can see it's not faded, we can enable it. So go ahead and click OK, and it's searching for the files needed, so let's give it a while. Alright, so we have done, and now it's asking us to reboot again. So we'll be right back once I restart the PC, so see you there. Alright guys, so I've restarted my PC again because it asked me to install some updates. So I think that was Windows Sandbox update. And now we are done, so you can go ahead and go to your start menu here and scroll down. You should find anything related to, yeah, there we go, Windows Sandbox. And that is actually how you enable Windows Sandbox on your PC. So that's pretty much it guys, tutorial on how to enable Windows Sandbox on your PC. So thank you much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.